Well, here we are on a not so sunny Tuesday. I've built the wheel. I've now actually painted the brake plate. The next job I've got to do is to trim down the excess threads from the spokes. I might have mentioned before that the spoke length should have been something like a 160 for the CB100N original rims, and these monkey bike spokes are 165, so there's probably roughly 5mm protruding there anyway, maybe a bit more in the case of that one. But anyway, the wheel's been trued and the everything's been painted. Next thing I'm going to do is buzz these down with a grinder, put the rim tape on, and once I've got the rim tape on, I'm going to see about fitting the tyre. That's my cheap and cheerful McAllister grinder with the grinding pad, and as I say, I'm just buzzing these down, just taking off any sharp bits. Obviously the rim tape's going to go over this, but it's very simple, straightforward work. Just obviously make sure you're wearing eye protection, keep your fingers out of the way, and make sure you're not buzzing anything you shouldn't be. Buzz down, they're all fairly flush. I mean, some of them are sticking up a little bit, but again, I don't think that really matters too much. So the next thing for me to do is to put the rim tape on. Just having a double check. My King's tyre Australian Postal Service heavy duty tyre that's going to hopefully fit on there okay. I fitted the rim tape, as you can see. I've got a new inner tube. I'm going to just put a slight inflation into that, pop it inside the tyre, and then get the first side of the tyre onto the rim. One King's tyre fitted to the CB100N hub, the monkey bike spokes on the unknown but possibly, I don't know, Lex Moto, what are they called, Adrenaline, Sinus, something or others. So that's that fitted, so I need to see how it goes in the frame. I thought I'd do a quick check. So there's the original brake bar. There's definitely a gap there, that's not so bad. Could actually put it back into the bit where it's supposed to be. And there's still space. And it looks fairly centralised. I think that's as far across pretty much as it goes. There's definitely room for adjustment there. It's probably about 5mm, maybe 4. But as I say, this can easily enough come out, get bolted on the outer side of the swing arm, and then there's enough thread on there that I could put something behind there and bring that out, and that would give quite a bit of clearance, but I don't think it's going to be a problem. Well, there's my first mock-up of the rear wheel. As you can see, this swing arm certainly needs a bit of a going over. This part here has been sitting in citric acid for about 5 days, so I still need to do that to this bit. But I think the rear part's coming together okay. It looks fairly centralised in there. I'm quite happy with that, I think, overall. Just need to get this cleaned up. Now this will all have to get painted. But I'm quite happy with how that's turned out. I'm going to do a quick mock-up. Well, there was some great excitement this afternoon when DPD arrived with a delivery in this box, which was a chain and sprocket kit, bought via eBay through M&P Direct, for the princely sum of £17.99. Now, I don't know if it's going to be horrific quality, but this brand JT seems to be quite popular, shall we say, on eBay, and looking on the internet, they seem to be quite popular. I'm not familiar with the brand, but being able to get chain and 2 sprockets for pretty much almost the price of a rear sprocket interests me. So, as I see, the chain certainly branded JT, and the front sprocket is certainly JT or JTF. The rear one seems to be high level though, so I don't know if that's good or bad. And then this sprocket is a 14 tooth. I don't know if that'll maybe be a bit low geared, but I've got still got the original sprocket on the engine. I've not counted how many teeth are on this rear. What does it say there? 37, so it's a 3714. So I think the one that's on the bike might be something like a 15. So if it's under geared with this, I'll put that one back on. But this sounds fast, doesn't it? Advanced power transfer O-ring chain. And of course, with it being gold and black, I mean, that's probably going to add at least, oh, I don't know, 5 miles an hour maybe onto the top speed of the bike. But time will tell on that front. So there's not going to be any progress taking place today because it's pouring rain outside, and that'll just have to be put off for another day.